Today we are creating a brand new presets. If you don't know how to do it, stay tuned. Welcome to this video. As you know, today we're creating a brand new presets. So let's get to it. We are working with Lightroom today. So the first thing that we're gonna do is obviously open Lightroom. As you see, I have this photo right here that I created. This is specific look just for this tutorial. I wanted to make the trees on the back a little bit yellow, and just for the tutorial. As you see, I have this photo. We're gonna click D to go to develop to be able to edit. First thing you're gonna do is do all your settings according to how you want your presets. After you have all those settings set up, ready to do whatever you want to do, what we're gonna do, we go to the left side. You see that plus sign over here. We're gonna click that plus sign. Once we click there, you can see that it says create presets. We're gonna click all the way over here. It's gonna give us an option to change the name of the preset. Just for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna call it yellow tutorial just for today. On the bottom, as you see, you have an option that it says group. That means where you want to save your presets. You could save it on the Ursa name, Ursa preset, which those are the presets that Lightroom already give you, or you could create your own group. I recommend you to create your own group. That way you know where they are. That way you know which one you want to change. That way you know everything that you want to do to those presets. So let's just put it on my group for now. Here on settings, you can see all the settings that you did to that photo, everything that you did to it. If you want, you can click here on transform. Quick tip though, I wouldn't do that. Why? Because that means that every photo that you apply this preset to is going to be cropped the same way. And as you know, the crop tool doesn't apply to the same photos every time. Sometimes you need to crop a little bit this way, sometimes you need to crop a little bit this way. So good tip, don't click in there and then just crop your photo based on what you want. So after you do that, you're gonna click create. We're gonna go to our presets. As you see, I have them right here. All the way on the bottom should be that right here, that new preset. Let's just apply it to all the photo just to see how it works, just so you know that it already has been done. Let's just open this photo. Let's click D. Let's go all the way here to yellow tutorial, and voila. Again, if you click that option where it says crop, that photo will be cropped specific way. As you see, this photo is cropped very close. This is it for today, guys. Do me a favor, if you want any tips on tutorial about photography or videography, leave it on the comment and I will get to it, and I see you tomorrow.